Good morning everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is no confidence motion. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, opposition MPs mooted an idea of a resolution against the Lok Sabha Speaker, most likely to be defeated as the Speaker has confidence in the House. Now let's discuss what is no confidence motion. Article 75 of the Constitution says that the Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. In other words, the Lok Sabha can remove the ministry from office by passing a no confidence motion. No confidence motion is a formal proposal in Lok Sabha to evoke a decision of the House. The motion needs the support of 50 members to be admitted. It can be moved only in Lok Sabha. Now let's discuss about the procedure to move a no confidence motion. The Constitution of India does not mention about either a confidence or a no confidence motion. A motion of no confidence motion against the government can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha under Rule 198. Although Article 75 does specify that the Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha, a motion of no confidence can be admitted when a minimum of 50 members support the motion in the House. The Speaker then, once satisfied that the motion is in order, will ask the House if the motion can be adopted. If the motion is passed in the House, the government is bound to vacate the office. A no confidence motion needs a majority vote to pass the House. If individuals or parties abstain from voting, those numbers will be removed from the overall strength of the House. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the no confidence motion. 1. The Constitution of India does not mention about either a confidence or a no confidence motion. 2. A motion of no confidence can be admitted when a minimum of 50 members support the motion in the House. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.